band crab walk. Place the band around your lower thigh, hands on your hips and stepping sideways, pressing from the backward hip through to the front. The band forward walk. With the band at your lower thigh, stand tall with your hands behind your head. Keep the legs stiff as you step forward, heel toe, heel toe. The squat reach. Keeping the shoulders and the knees square, reaching down in the squat position towards the floor. The lunge and side reach. Reach one hand up into the air, step forward on the opposite leg and reach down to the ground towards that side. Now alternate. Shoulder wise. Hinge through your hips and reach your shoulders in a Y over your head. And repeat. The RDL. Standing on one leg, tilt your body forward, keeping the legs straight into a full hip hinge position, keeping the torso extended. The Inchworm and Rotate. Roll through your shoulder blades, forward, down through your spine, towards the floor. Walk the hands out into the plank position. Now rotate onto one arm and alternate to the opposite side. Walk the feet in now, folding the body in two, and back up into the fully erect position.